Hi, welcome to my latest project. This is for my MSc in game development. This project will be to create a virtual university within a role-playing type game. This is based on academic research that has previously been conducted. The game will be an MMO allowing students and academics to simultaneously log into the virtual world. Initially, the concept of the virtual university will be to provide online lectures, workshops, tests and reports all within the gaming world. Artifact itself will be developed at a high level, utilising existing libraries and assets where possible. So in summary, the concepts of virtual university. Academic staff can log in and create lectures, tests, issue assignments, where students can then pick them up and either partake in the test or submit an assignment. Locations within the virtual university world will include academic offices. This is where the academics will live. This is where students can go and find the academic they're looking for. If the academic's online, they can obviously have a virtual discussion with them about their current course. There'll be a lecture theatre within the world. This is where, when you enter, you'll get a list of lectures that you haven't yet seen or may have seen and want to watch it again. And a student can have their lectures all within the game world. The workshop labs is going to be another part of the university world. In a typical university, you would go to a workshop and practice what you've just learnt within the lecture. This will involve building a tool for the academics to create the workshop, providing of course test cases to indicate whether the student has got the right result. So if it's putting shapes within a hole, have they put into the correct hole? That's a bad example. So this is devlog ground zero. Devlog ground zero. The very first log, just sort of highlighting what we're going to be doing in the first instance. The first task is to implement a university school environment. The second step is to implement and test the UMMO-RPG system tool. This is another asset available on the Unity Asset Store. It allows you to create a RPG style world. It incorporates features such as chat, login, server and client-side implementation. By development log number 1, next week we should start being able to see some actual game footage, character hopefully running around the university school scene environment. Yeah.